Okay,
Huh?
I have a question. Right now, if you want to go
Mhm.
outside at night, are you safe?
Yes. No. Depending on how you drive. If you're driving crazy and you get pulled over by the cops, there's like, what's the percentage? Like a 30% chance they might call ICE. 30% chance. So right now, one of my friends got pulled over by the cop. I don't know why. I think it was because her license plate, or because she doesn't have a sticker because she just got the car. She's gonna get it. So she got pulled over and she looks Hispanic. So me and my friend had to go and like just watch out, making sure they didn't take her, because um a sticker isn't grounds for an arrest. It is not. We were kind of scared and terrified that she would get taken, because right now they are going around. ICE is going around and taking a lot of construction workers, meaning people that are building our houses. I live in an area where it's being built. The houses are being built, and now everything has stopped. Everything has stopped for like a little bit, and usually they're really really fast at building these freaking houses. They're really fast. They're like, it'll take like maybe like a month and a half to build a fucking house. I promise you. I promise. Mexicans can build a house in a month and a half. I promise you. So they went not this week but last week to to that site, and they took a lot of immigrants. We have something in our town called actually I don't want to say the name of the page, but on Facebook we have something where they let us know where ICE is. So we have something for our city to tell us exactly where ICE is and to watch out. So yes, ICE is everywhere, and it's sad to say that some of the like Mexicans or Hispanic people are going and becoming ICE, and it's sad. Honestly, I wouldn't be mad that they were becoming ICE if they were doing it for good intent. Like, you know what I mean? Like having someone in the inside telling us to be like, "Hey, yeah, like helping us," But like we don't have. I don't. I haven't seen an ICE person be kind.
Right now, he playing with
And they
innocent life.
very much. There was a baby. There was a 6 month year old that was tear gas, like that had tear gas, and they did not care. The mother had to stop and go to the side and give her own child CPR. Yeah, it's not funny. A couple of months ago, there was a cop using brutal force on a minor, that because here, unfortunately, our minors look like adults. Our minors do look like adults. I don't know why. I don't know what generation it is, but our minors look like fucking adults. So you gotta check them IDs. But they got it on video where this cop was detaining or trying to force this person into submission, and instead of anyone like helping them or like pulling them apart, being like, "What's up? What's going on?" they a man, a white man, went and helped the cop, leading to injuries on that teenager who was what was he doing? It happened like a few months ago. Yeah, there was a teenager and he got like detained, and he got like several injuries, and because I think he was like say something, do something, I don't know, but it was really bad, and that has never I haven't seen that happen here in my city. My city used to be one of the safest cities.
You are safe.
Mm-hmm.
Thank God.
Top.
You are safe.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I am safe only because Billie Eilish just said no one is illegal on stolen land. Billie Eilish just said that at the Grammys. Mm,
And thank you for sharing your opinion. I really know about
of
your
course.
country situation.
I want to also say this to anyone that is in other countries, in the countries that are have alliances with Greenland and all that stuff. Just know the US attacks that country. It was not the citizens. Not the citizens. The citizens, we don't have any say in anything. Trump is trying to revoke our right to give me 1 second. Revoke our right to a vote in the next elections. He's thinking about stopping the vote for next elections because he's saying it's rigged. How does that make sense? So no, it's if please if if war happens, just leave the citizens of America alone. You know, I promise it wasn't us. It wasn't us. It wasn't the Mexicans. It wasn't us. It's the president. Go deal with the people over there. You know, we don't want no smoke. We don't want nothing. All we're worried for. We're not worried about no fucking aliens. We're not worried about no fucking anything. We're worried about rent, healthcare, and how we're going to live every fucking day. I promise you, we're not worried about like no other and children.